I decided to come to ICTC because I wasn't really looking for college, and I just didn't feel like that was me. They had the heavy equipment program. I felt like I wanted to get into that, see where it leads me. I was interested in the heavy equipment program because I wanted to try to get into like the bigger equipment and learn it all. That way I could become more diverse in construction jobs or whatever it leads me to. Whenever I graduate, I plan to use these skills to probably start off, working for somebody, and then try to make my way to where I can own my own business. If you come to ICTC, all the classes, programs, you're hands-on, where you don't quite get that in college. And that's really nice because most learning is done hands-on.